Rilla has really helped me transform myself as a business owner because it gives me a peace of mind. I have a confidence in my sales team that we've never had before, and I've really been able to increase the likelihood of every one of our team members' success because everything is documented now. At Brickworks, we specialize in concrete, foundations, and brick repair.
We are the largest residential masonry contractor in Southeast Michigan. Anything masonry, brick, concrete, porches, chimneys, foundations.
Rilla has completely helped us redesign our training. Prior to Rilla, we were having an accountability metric concern. We weren't sure if our solutions were being offered the right way.
Now with Rilla, we can go over and analyze all 9 of our reps 3 to 4 appointments per day, and within 15 minutes, get a score, and we can go in and get a highlight reel to share with every other rep. This is what we want you to do. This is what we don't want you to do, and point it out in real time and give corrective action.
Rilla's results have enabled me to increase my sales, my closing rate. It's actually helped me really slow down during my interactions with customers, which I think is equal to increased sales. Since using Rilla, I am at least 7 to 10% higher.
For the first time in human history, my sales reps can say, I'm not a bad salesperson, it's a bad lead. We know exactly what we're doing in real time out in the field. We had massive concerns about Rilla. My team called it Big Brother coming in and watching them. And that actually got me excited. Because if you're worried that somebody's watching you, then you're doing something that you're not proud of. I now have a sales staff of thoroughbreds because of Rilla.
My overall experience with Rilla has been extremely hands-on, and it's been extremely beneficial with how available the team has been for us.
It's a true partnership that we have with Rilla.